Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will revise from mental math. Already we have completed the second term syllabus, that is from page 19 to page 40. Today I have revised up to page 24. Next day again I will supply from page 25 to page 40 all the varieties of questions. So what type of questions may come from mental math? So all will be of 1 marks question or half marks question. So according to the need I may frame the question, but the blank you have to write direct answer. Any other place you do the rough work and write down the answer for mental math portion. See, first question is 99 minus 1. Minus 1 means you are reducing. That means from 99 if you are reducing 1, then the answer will become 98. Next, 60 equal to dash tens plus dash ones. In 60, tens is 6 and in ones place 0. So 6 tens and 0 ones. Next, 110 plus 5 ones is how much? We know, children, 110 means 10. 110 means 10. So 10 plus 5 ones means 5. So 10 plus 5, it will be 15. Next, 16 minus how much will be? 0. So from 16, we are going to subtract 16 again so that the answer is 0. We know that if we are subtracting the same number, the answer comes always 0. So here I am subtracting 16 minus 16 is 0. Next, 39 plus 4 is how much? So you have to forward counting. After 39, you have to count 4. 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. So the answer became 43. Again, addition may come in 3 digit also. That means I will give you 3 digit single number and you have to go on forwarding so that the answer comes. So first one you have to add 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10. From 10 again you have to count 4 house. So 10 plus 4 it will become 14. Next, 10 more than 19. More than means always you have to add. So you have to add 10 with 19. So after 19 you have to count, you can count either 10 house or you can add in the copy. So 10 plus 19 is 29. Next, 10 less than 89. 10 less than 89 means less means you have to subtract. So from 89 we have to subtract 10. So the answer will become 79. 1 more than 99. 1 more than 99. More means plus I told. Less means subtract. So 99 plus 1, the answer will become 100. 1 less than 50. So less means minus. So from 50 you are going to subtract 1. So the answer will become 49. Next, see, there will be 2 or 3 blanks. So that means you have to either do skip counting or you have to follow the pattern. So I have written 33 dash dash 36. That means it is forward counting. So after 33, 34, 35 I have written and 36 is written. Then again blank, that means it is 37 and then 38 is already written. Next question, in 85, 8 is in dash place. So 85, if I am putting the place value, so 8 is in which house, you tell me? 8 is in which house? 8 is in 10's house and 5 is in 1's house. So 8 is in 10's place. In 9, 9 is in dash place. See, only 1 digit number. That means only once. If it is 2 digit number, then only tens will come. So 9 is in 1's place. Next question, in 7, the digit in tens place is, so here nothing is in tens place. So it will be 0. Next, 2 more than 78. More means plus. So here this time it is 2. So after 78 you count 79 and 80. So it will become 80. Now 5 tens means what? Next question, 5 tens means 50. So here it is written 5 tens minus 4. So from 50 you have to subtract 4. So the answer will become 46. Question may come 5 tens minus 4 or 5 tens minus 2 tens equal to how much tens? Then the answer will come in tens. But if it is not written anything here or afterwards or at last, that is you have to write in tens or not, that means the digit itself you have to write. And the last question, 9 tens equal to what? So 9 tens means 90. Either 90 equal to dash tens, that means you have to write 9, or 9 tens equal to 90. Any one of the pattern will be given in the exam. Follow this type of questions and practice at home. Thank you, children.